Hello students, today we will do phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs. See, what are phrasal verbs? Phrasal verbs are those where verbs are accompanied with preposition. If verbs are accompanied with preposition, we call it a phrasal verb. In English language, in the use of verbs accompanied with preposition or adverbs to obtain a variety of meanings. By doing so, these compounds were verbs are given different idiomatic meanings. Okay, shall I write introduction of so that you may learn what are phrasal verbs. Phrasal verbs are English language abounds in the use of verbs accompanied by or sorry accompanied with by accompanied with prepositions or or adverbs to obtain a variety of meanings. By doing so, these compound verbs are given different idiomatic meanings. Okay. Now see, here are some examples. I'll give you some examples too of phrasal verbs. One is ask for. Ask for. Now see, ask is a verb and for is a preposition. Yes, asks for. Now see its usage. Means ask for means request for. Request for, and its usage is she asked for a glass of water. She asked for a glass of water. Here, asked for means requested for. Okay. Second phrasal verb which I have taken is be in for. Be in for means about to take place. About to take place and usually unpleasant. And its usage is on account of his bad habits. On account of his bad habits, he is in for trouble. Third phrasal verb which I have taken is blow up. Blow up means explode or start suddenly. Its usage is the plan of the enemy to blow up the flyover was foiled by the police. Right, the plan of the enemy to blow up the flyover, blow up means explode, was foiled up by the police. Before, break with. Break with means quarrel. and its usages. After a long and fruitful friendship, the two friends broke with each other. The two friends broke with each other. Break into. Break into means enter by force. And its usages. The robbers broke into the house last night. Clear now? So you have to learn these words, these phrasal verbs. Next is bring up. See, we use these words daily. Bring up. And bring up means educate. And its uses is fathers are beginning to play a bigger role in bringing up their children. Fathers or parents. Okay, I'll write parents. Fathers are beginning to play a bigger role in bringing up their children. Next is call in. And call in means send for help. See its usage. The police were called in without delay by the residents. Without delay by the residents. Next phrasal verb which I have taken is cope with. Cope with means manage. And its uses is they coped with all their problems cheerfully. Next, cut down. Cut down means to reduce or to curtail. And its uses is since you're out of job, these days you must cut down your expenditures. You must cut down your expenditures. Since you don't have job, just reduce your expenditures. Last phrasal verb which I have taken today is do away with. Do away with means to eradicate. To eradicate. And its usages we should do away with social evils. Eradicate means to root out. To root out, okay? So we should do away with social evils. So today we have learned 10 phrasal verbs. And phrasal verbs are verbs which are accompanied by prepositions or adverbs. And when we add preposition with adverb, it gives some different meaning, okay? and we often get confused in exam. So that's why we have learned today 10 phrasal verbs. And that's all for the day. Good day. Next time I'll bring more phrasal verbs.